Vice President Leni Robredo pledges her support for the international body's probe into the drug war. She also calls on the Duterte administration to abandon the campaign. Here's the report.
For Vice President Leni Robredo, President Duterte's drug war is a failure. In an interview with Reuters, Robredo said the thousands of people killed in the government's anti-drug campaign were too much.
We've been doing this war for 3 years already. Number one, I would like to believe that, drugs is really a big problem and government should be doing something about it. But the way we are approaching the drug war, 3 years has shown us that it has not been effective. There have been so many deaths already. But the number of drug addicts have risen to unimaginable levels.
Robredo notes that there are no evidence to support that a drug war actually helped lessen drug supply and usage in the country.
Why is this still happening? The president has already made very serious threats to drug syndicates, to drug lords, to drug users, and yet it's still very prevalent. So obviously it's not working.
To address this, Robredo says Duterte should allow the UN to investigate the war on drugs. The vice president also called for the administration to stop the deadly campaign.
I would support it because the lives of our people are in line. And the dignity of our country is in line. But my first call is for our government to take care of the mess that we are in and not to continue with what we have started, which obviously are not working, and to take care of all the victims and to penalize all those who have violated our laws.
But the palace remains unfazed. In a statement, presidential spokesperson Salvador Panelo said that even though the drug trade still persists in the country, it does not mean that Duterte's war on drugs was a failure. Panelo went on to blame the previous administrations for the magnitude of the drug problem in the country. Panelo also told Robredo to detach herself from the critics of the drug war to avoid being misled by supposed false narratives against the administration.